Sobrang dami ng paraan para kumita online and girl, napag-iwalan ka na. Hey guys, it's Aaron. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, as promised, I will be sharing with you what are some of the basic requirements in order for you to apply as a TikTok affiliate. Kung hindi mo pa sinusubukan ang pagiging affiliate marketer this 2025, huling-huli ka na. I've been in the social media industry for more than 12 years already, and a lot of you may have known me from YouTube as someone who has been in the virtual assistant industry for more than 6 years now. And as of July of 2024, I have become a TikTok affiliate. So I am currently on my 8 months of being a TikTok affiliate, and I have consistently been making 6 to 7 digits every month. So alam niyo naman sa aking YouTube channel, I always try my best to help out my fellow Filipino people to make ways on how to earn income through the internet. Other than being a TikTok affiliate, I am also teaching people how to become a TikTok affiliate on TikTok through my subscription. Let's define muna, ano nga ba yung TikTok affiliate or ano nga ba yung pagiging TikTok affiliate? Google! A TikTok affiliate is a TikTok content creator who collaborates with sellers to promote and sell products, earning commissions on sales generated through their unique affiliate links or by tagging products on their videos. In short, we are content creators na gumagawa at nagpo-promote ng mga products from sellers or brands, and then we are adding yellow baskets on our video para kapag ka naman mayroong mga buyers or TikTok users na dumaan sa FYP nila yung video natin, pwede silang mag-check out dun sa basket. Now, you will be earning percentage, depende sa sineset ng seller, through the commissions. So yes, commission-based siya. My first month as a TikTok affiliate, I earned 65,800. My second month as a TikTok affiliate, I earned 118,000. And my third month as a TikTok affiliate, 197,000. All settled payments. So yes, possible ba kumita sa TikTok just by sharing content and adding yellow basket to your videos? The answer is definitely yes, 100% you can earn on TikTok as a TikTok affiliate. But guys, walang magic or hocus-pocus dyan ha. Being a TikTok affiliate can be a full-time job, and also a content creator is also challenging. So walang madaling paraan. But your first 3 months or yung first 90 days mo, yan yung pinaka-crucial part as a TikTok affiliate or content creator, because you have to establish one, your branding. Another is you have to keep looking for products to sell. So yan yung tinuturo ko sa aking mga TikTok affiliate student through my TikTok subscription course. Bago maging complicated lahat ng mga susunod nating episodes on this YouTube channel, let me explain first clearly ano nga ba yung mga requirements na kailangan yung ma-meet in order for you to apply as a TikTok affiliate. Yes, you heard me right. Kailangan mong mag-apply kasi hindi naman po lahat nag-grant para maging TikTok affiliate. And right now, let's talk about the basic requirements first to become a TikTok affiliate. Number 1 is you have to have a good standing TikTok account. Yes. So, make sure na yung gagamitin yung ID, mobile number, at saka pangalan ay sa inyo talaga at hindi nyo hiniram or ninakaw kung kani-kanino lang or hiniram sa mga kamag-anak nyo, alright? What you need is a personal TikTok account and not a business account, alright? Right here, I just want to clarify na hindi nyo kailangan ng TikTok seller account at wag na wag nyong ililink sa seller account yung inyong mga personal TikTok accounts, alright? We're talking about TikTok affiliate here, not TikTok seller or shop. Makikita nyo sa profile nyo itong button na to, which is si TikTok Studio. You can also download TikTok Studio on your mobile. It's available in iOS and Android devices. So, merong inspiration and monetization. Make sure you are on the monetization part. And right here, makikita nyo, TikTok Shop for Creator. Alright? So, dito tayo kasi tayo ay TikTok Shop Creator. So, click on that and you will notice nandito na yung requirements immediately. Promote products, earn commissions. Yun yung trabaho natin as a TikTok affiliate. Earn commissions for every eligible sale you generated by sharing links to your community. Creators who have reached 600 followers and have posted on TikTok in the past 28 days can earn through the Showcase tab, shoppable videos, and live videos. So the requirements below are as follows. Meet the community guidelines, be at least 18 years old, check mark, and hit that apply button. So yes, most of the time, nag-grant naman siya. But you have to make sure na, again, you follow the community guidelines, which is, by the way, guys, that is clickable. And once you click on it, it will redirect you to the whole FAQs, rules and regulations, para naman maaral nyo talaga kung ano yung TikTok affiliate guidelines. It's gonna take you a long time to get familiarized and to study, but don't worry, for sure, you will learn through experience. Balikan muna natin yung una niyang sinabing requirement, which is 600 followers. So, sometimes, it changes from time to time, depende dun sa kung ano yung isiset sa inyo ni TikTok. Sometimes, 600 or sometimes it's 1,000 followers. So, in between doon, usually, yung nare-require ni TikTok. And once you hit that 600 followers, automatic, you will see a notice na you can start posting videos with Yellow Basket. At yung tinatawag nating showcase, magiging visible na siya sa inyong profile. Yung showcase, dyan nakalagay yung mga products na gusto nyong ibenta sa TikTok. Parang kapag may pumunta sa profile nyo, yan yung una mag-open sa kanila para mag-window shopping kayo online. Makikita nyo dito sa screenshot na to na merong yellow or orange basket. So, every time dumaan itong video ko na to, sa FYP ng mga viewers, dito sa yellow or orange basket sila pwedeng mag-check out. Kung ano nga ba yung pinakaunang video na pinost ko sa TikTok na merong yellow basket, it's none other than Gojo Dr. Bufan. Sila yung pinakaunang nag-reach out sa akin to collaborate. And as of right now, meron siyang 239,000 views. And yes, for every successful checkout, doon ako nakaka-earn sa kanila ng about 50 to 60 pesos per item. And so, I remember, ito yung pinakaunang product na nag-trend sa akin. And just like how Google works, SEO is very, very important on TikTok. And yun yung strategy na tinuturo ko ngayon with my TikTok affiliate students. Kapag meron kang product na nagtitrend on TikTok, you have to keep posting it kasi quantity is also important. Of course, quality videos are important, but with TikTok and how Google works, importante din yung mga backlinking. So if you're interested to learn more and become my student as a TikTok affiliate marketer, all you have to do is to go to my TikTok profile and tap the subscription button. But first, I want to make sure that I set your expectations right. Please go over to my pinned post and watch this 2 videos first. Unahin nyo munang panoorin yung video na merong 500,000 views because I gave 10 minutes free class on how the subscription will go. Okay? Dito at least masiset yung expectation nyo o kung paano kayo gagaidan and paano ko kayo i-coach as a beginner TikTok affiliate. After nyo panoorin yung 10 minutes free class ko, all you have to do is to go to the next video. Diyan nyo naman makikita kung paano kayo magsusubscribe sa akin through TikTok subscription, and the fee is 275 a month. But for first-time subscribers, I think TikTok does offer 10 to 15% discount. And once you tap on the subscription button, makikita nyo na dyan, maglo-load na yung Aras community with over 3,000 subscribers or 3,000 TikTok affiliate students. Some of them have graduated already and are now earning 4 digits, 5 digits, 6 digits, or meron na rin akong students na naka-earn ng 7 digits. You can see the subscription highlight there and read some of the testimonials, or you can simply search my name on TikTok and you can also watch some of the testimonials made by my students. Over the next few days, I will be sharing more videos here on my YouTube channel on how to become an effective TikTok affiliate. And I do encourage you to like this video and tap that subscribe button. Also, follow me on TikTok. I am very active there. I also do live coaching sessions on TikTok. So guys, see you in class soon. Bye!